Hi, Si here from Music Radar. It's day 3 of NAMM 2020. We're on the Korg booth. This is Luke Edwards. Luke, lovely to see you again. Of course, we saw you before Christmas.
Yes.
We had a lovely kind of time with the Wave State, the 2600. You guys showed us all the other bits and bobs.
So much stuff, and we thought it ended there.
Yeah.
But it didn't.
It didn't, because you turned up, presumably you turned up, and then the lovely guys. Ta-da! What is all this? What's going on?
Well, the top one is an OP6 or Opsix. We don't even know how to say it.
Okay.
So,
fine.
but
Yeah.
it's basically a concept for an FM synth. Similar architecture to the Volker FM, obviously DX7 derived, with the 32 algorithms and FM. But then they've added these other kind of types of FM as well, which makes it quite interesting.
Wave folding, all that
Yeah,
sort of stuff. That's
and
cool.
a sequencer by the looks of it.
Yeah.
And obviously lots of hands-on control.
Lots of hands-on control.
Sure.
Stuff that we use, like say, the kind of slider thing you had going with, like the Volkers and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Stuff that's kind of very familiar for FM synthesis.
Yeah.
A couple of things have been sort of catching people's eyes. I don't know if you're able to allude to anything, but are you able to kind of talk us through what the analyzer might be all about? Is that something
I literally have no idea.
No idea.
So I'm afraid, because they literally just put that out. So and said, there it is. This is the concept we're thinking of.
Yeah.
I'm actually involved in the development of these things.
Yeah.
And even it's a bit of a shock to me that they decided to show it. But it's very cool.
Yeah, it is very cool. But as a prototype, we're not even sure if this is what the end product will look like. Is this right?
No, that's right. It's just a concept design at this stage.
Design.
Yeah.
So
and it's not working.
it's not working,
So,
unfortunately.
Otherwise, we'd have it powered up.
You would,
So-
and I'd be like getting in there, like, get in there,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, sure.
So, do you have any idea of when we might be able to see this? Is this thing something that's going to be in the next 12 months, or are we sort of way off ahead?
I'm guessing it looks in fairly finished state. Well, certainly the outside.
Outside, yeah.
So I'm guessing 12 months to 18 months.
All right,
That's what I'd say.
lovely.
Obviously, I can't guarantee it. I have no idea, but
And
that's
of
what I
course-
would guess.
Your role at Korg, like a lot of the stuff you deal with in development is a lot of the voicing. You're going to be working on the voicing of this
Yeah,
thing.
I will be when they tell me about
when
it.
you see it. Ace. Of course, we see these guys before, these lovely Triton one-offs. They're not
Yeah.
working either, am I? Is that
No,
right?
these are even further in the distance. I think these are literally just design concepts. I think
Right.
of something,
Of something.
probably workstation-y, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
But other than that, I have no idea.
They kind of look, familiar. That kind of, the Triton and.
Yeah, it's Triton, sort of Trinity kind
Yeah.
of look, different shape. The screen looks a little bit like from our Chrome actually. It's like a widescreen screen.
But definitely.
But yeah, that's
Definitely workstation feel.
yeah, that's what it's looking like.
Yeah, 88.
People are speculating it could be a new Kronos, but I'm not sure about that because it looks a little bit stripped back for that. So yeah.
And obviously, you've seen is it just the front panel on the OP or Opsix or whatever it's going to be called? Is that all that's there? Or do you know anything more about what's happening at the back? Is
No,
there
I haven't seen it out of the cabinet.
Oh,
so I'm
right,
not
so it's
sure.
literally you've just seen it in
and
there.
I'm not tall enough to see over the top. So.
Shall I just climb on your shoulders and have a look? Luke, thank you so much for
That's right.
basically telling us there's not much more than we know.
No, that's right. Yeah, but it's exciting.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
It is exciting.
Yeah.
We can't wait to see what it ends up being.
That's right.
Thank you so much for that. And thank you for all of the lovely kind of demos you've done with us as well already. So cool. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that sort of stuff wherever you're seeing this video right now. And of course, we've got all the latest NAMM 2020 news on musicradar.com. So head on over and check it out. We'll see you soon. Bye.